Feverfew is a lovely little plant, and clinical studies have shown that it can prevent and relieve migraine headaches. This is an important use of feverfew, but that's not all it's good for. Today we'll be going over why you should always have feverfew on hand. Feverfew has been used for hundreds of years to prevent and treat not only the pain from migraine headaches, but also the nausea and vomiting and light sensitivity that often accompanies migraines. While feverfew can stop a migraine once it is started, if you get migraines frequently, you may want to take it every day to prevent the headaches. One study showed that eating 2 or 3 leaves of feverfew every day could decrease the frequency or even prevent migraine headaches after taking it for 30 days and beyond. Feverfew does not taste good. It is very bitter. It can be eaten raw or made into a tea, but you may prefer to get it in capsule form. Taking 125 to 175 milligrams of the whole leaf powder daily may help you avoid those headaches. But give it time. As previously stated, it may take up to 30 days to see any significant improvement. And using feverfew does not cure the headaches. If you stop taking the herb, chances are the headaches will come back. Other studies have suggested that feverfew may also help cluster, premenstrual, menstrual, and other types of headaches. If you are pregnant or trying to become pregnant, do not take feverfew as it has been linked with miscarriage. Also, do not use this if you are on a blood thinner such as aspirin, Plavix, or warfarin, as it may increase your risk of bleeding. Because of its antipyretic effects, feverfew has been used to break fevers, even high fevers. Traditionally, it has been made into a tea to drink hot, but because of the bitter taste, you may want to add quite a bit of honey to make it taste better. Mix 1 teaspoonful of the dried leaves in 1 cup of hot water and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain this and drink it once or twice a day for fever. If your fever stays over 102 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 48 hours, you should contact your healthcare provider. The anti-inflammatory properties of feverfew make it useful for treating other types of pains besides headaches. It has been used for arthritis, menstrual cramps, and stomach cramps. Feverfew has antispasmodic properties, which means it decreases muscle cramping, including menstrual cramping and abdominal cramping. With the additional anti-inflammatory effects, feverfew is a great treatment for any type of painful, prolonged cramping. If you're learning something new, please hit that like button. Feverfew is a pretty plant that grows from 1 to 3 feet tall and has small daisy-like flowers. The leaves and flowers are medicinal. It is easy to grow in a sunny corner of your garden, and the seeds can be started in a pot or directly in the ground. Harvest the leaves and flowers in early summer and dry them to be used all year long. Feverfew is a member of the Asteraceae family, so if you are allergic to any plant in this group, be very careful about using feverfew, even topically. Do not give feverfew to children less than 2 years old. For older children, consult your personal herbalist to determine the correct dose. As always, if you are pregnant or nursing, if you are on a prescription medication or have a chronic health condition, always check with your personal healthcare provider to make sure any herb you're interested in using is safe for your particular circumstance. There aren't many side effects associated with feverfew, but some that have been reported include increased heart rate, mouth ulcers, and dermatitis. There have also been withdrawal reactions reported in some patients that take it long-term to prevent headaches and then suddenly stop it. These reactions include insomnia, headache, nervousness, joint pain, and tiredness. If you take feverfew routinely for more than a few weeks, you will want to slowly decrease the dose to prevent these issues. If you want more information on natural ways to help keep yourself healthy, click here. Stay healthy, avoid those migraine headaches, and have a blessed week.